What? Oh my god.
70 subscribers? What? How? I'm speechless, honestly.
Oh, meh, Doug. I'm just like, oh my pug. Oh my freaking god. I can't believe it. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Let's celebrate with the Easter chickens.
Yay. Sorry, I'm sorry.
So anyways, thank you so much, and I'm using my proper mascot. So she's a cute little short hair cat. I'm making her a little skirt soon, a little bow. Also, today we're starting a new little headshot thing. Draw that LPS. And LPS Sugar Studios. I'm not copying you. I do really want to do this. Please, do not take this as copyright. I promise I'll give you credit. I don't know anybody else would draw that LPS challenge, so please don't feel I'm copying you, because I probably don't even know you. I'm very sorry. And also, this video is including, well, what will happen after this video is the tryout for Cotton for LPS Sugar Studio. So yeah, and also after that, if you comment, I'll look through my subscribers and make sure you have an LPS mascot so we can draw your mascot. And yeah, so bye. I love you so much. I love you all, my 70 subscribers. Stay awesome, coconuts. Oh, wait a minute, I'm out.